Hello, this is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Life Coach. I have been fasting for over 36 hours, just on water. Well, also, actually, I was taking this too. This is basically seaweed. So just water and that. I took yesterday, I usually take 4 of those capsules a day, and I took 4 in the morning and then yesterday, and the fast started the night before, and then I took 4 more of these yesterday evening, and I also took 2 of them this morning, and I'm gonna take some more later. But I'm gonna break the fast right now, and I want to talk about what I'm gonna do to break the fast and how it's going so far and why I did it. First of all, if you wait till the end, and I'm also gonna give away a bottle of this. This is just a 1-week supply. Usually I have a giant bottle for myself, but just as a sample, because I don't want to give someone a giant bottle because they might not take it all. I learned from experience. But if you do want a 1-week supply free, then check the link below and watch my training and you can win this. So if you want some free stuff, here you go. This is very high quality. There's nothing added. It's just straight, pure greatness. There's no chemical additives that, it frustrates me. I have some videos where I actually show what's in the vitamins in the store, in just one store in particular, and I can do another one of these. But what kind of vitamins, if any, do you take? Comment below and I'll look at the label and I will dissect it for you and probably trash it, because odds are there's acid in the vitamins, which makes it no good. These are alkaline, definitely, and they're natural, so you can't create alkaline in a lab naturally. Doesn't happen. So the reason I'm fasting is because I've been stressed out lately. I'm so busy with all of the people needing health coaching these days. It's a really good time to be helping people. However, it's overwhelming. So you're in the right place tuning in, and I share a lot of free information in my groups. So I'll put a link in the description of that as well, and you can join for free and get loads of info I share every day. That's one way I can keep up with all of the demand right now for information about how to boost your immunity naturally. I have another video about that. How I kicked chronic fatigue's butt after suffering for years. How I kicked its butt in 3 weeks. I have another longer video about that. That's about 40 minutes. If you want more details, then I'll put a link to that as well. All of this is in the description. But to save you time in this video, I won't go over all that stuff because I already have videos about it. So I've been fasting for 36 hours and I feel great is why I'm doing it. And I think people have a misconception about they have to eat to get energy, and really what they're eating is taking away their energy. Let me break it down for you really quick. So how do you get energy? Well, how do you get life? Oxygen. We get it when we breathe. We need it to live or we'll die. Take a deep breath now. I have another video about a breathing technique that changed my life. I will put that here as well. Make sure to check that out. And I do that multiple times a day sometimes just once a day. But we need oxygen. So how do we get oxygen out of the air? Well, it goes through our lungs, through our blood, to our cells. And how it gets to our cells through our blood is minerals like iron. Our blood has almost all the iron in our body, and it needs iron to get the oxygen to your cells. If it doesn't have enough iron, what does it do? It strips it away from your other organs and your bones and puts it in the blood to get you oxygen. So this is vital information because most people are deficient in iron, which means they're not getting enough oxygen. Not only that, we're shallow breathers. So when you're fasting, all your energy is coming from oxygen and it feels great. Also, when you're fasting, the book I'm reading right now about the mucusless diet is amazing. It's over 100 years old and it's completely relevant right now because what does this virus do that hurts people? It fills your lungs with mucus. So a mucusless diet is what you need. Hello, people. If you're getting value from this, definitely drop a like and a comment. It helps out my channel with the YouTube algorithm and all that high-tech nonsense. So if you're getting value, are you getting value from this? So there's a mucusless diet, and one way to quickly get rid of mucus is fasting, because when you stop eating, your body shifts into attacking mucus. And in nature, you would automatically just flush it out through your urine and going to the bathroom. So it naturally comes out. However, the problem is in our natural society with high stress, artificial foods that don't exist in nature, our body can't process it all and we get overeating, excess mucus and pus. I know that sounds gross, but it's really what's happening in your body. So that's why I'm fasting, because I could feel from stress. My diet is already clean. If you want the diet I'm on, join the group and I can give it to you for free. But not eating at all, then your body just attacks the mucus and flushes it out automatically. All you need to do is drink spring water. I also take these, which I'm going to give these away to someone. If you want more info or if you want coaching, comment me in the comments and I will contact you. So I'm gonna break the fast right now. It's been more than 36 hours and I wasn't planning to go that long, but I felt good, so I kept going, and I'm gonna break the fast with some dates. Natural and easy to digest and good on an empty stomach. And these ones have pits, so be careful. There's the pit right there. It's really hard and would break your teeth. I'll show it to you. That's a pit, don't break your teeth. Wow, actually eating is like a religious experience after fasting. So I might stop the video and eat this in private because it's so good. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm eating this one next. Happy fasting.